In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this error tvq-pb-101 on your Netflix account. So if you are experiencing this error with this error code, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Netflix account, or if you can't log in or sign into your Netflix account, just go ahead and visit the official Netflix website to get instructions on how you can solve this. So if you are watching Netflix on TV, you can go ahead and get these solutions from your phone. Just log into any other device. So for this, scroll down on the Netflix Help Center here, and then scroll down until you see Explore Topics, and under Fix Problems here, choose this option Error Codes. So if you click on this, you can see our error code 101 is here. So we are told this error happens when an issue with the data stored on your device stops Netflix from playing. To fix this problem, we have here quite a number of steps you can take depending on your device. So for smart TVs, go ahead and restart your device, and this should solve your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, then sign out of your Netflix account and then sign in again. However, if you are using this type of smart TV called Visa Smart TV, then you're told to follow the steps above. So apart from that, if you are using streaming media player, you can also go ahead and restart your devices and sign out. And the best way to restart your device is turning it off or plugging everything off, and then leave your device off for 15 seconds and then plug back and restart. You can also sign out of your Netflix account, then sign in again, and this should solve your problem. However, for set-top boxes, Roku, PlayStations, and all the other devices, you can also use the same processes, and you can just unplug the power and then press the power button for at least 3 minutes, and then go ahead and plug it back and see if the problem has been solved. Once you are done, now restart your device, and this should solve your problem. So by following any of these steps, you should be able to solve the problem on your gadget. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.